Okay then. Week, I think 11 and 12, right? Talk about SQL. Week 11 and 12 talk about SQL, introduction and intermediate level of SQL. What you need to know, again, I'm not going to go through that because it's I really don't have time now. It's just like I've run out of time myself. But what you need to know, all coding regarding SQL that is given in the slides. So you will not get any code that is outside the slides. So concentrate, understand the codes that are listed in your slides. So that's the main thing. So we were talking about this is week 11 and 12. Okay, so concentrate on the SQL. All the coding that are given in the slides, you will not get a code that is outside the slides. Concentrate on the view. What is the view and how to create tables in the view and so forth. Again, SQL manipulation, like modification, what else do I have? Insert, delete. Okay, aggregation. Aggregation where you have the average, minimum, maximum, etc. إلى آخره. Okay, so all these plus whatever is to do with modification, so etc. So إلى آخرهم. Make sure you understand these very well. You will definitely get more than a question from week 11 and 12. Very important 2 weeks. Make sure you understand them very well. I don't think I need to give you an example. I think we have plenty of examples in the slides, and the exam will come of the same level. So make sure you understand the examples that you are given in the slides. Okay, so that's week 11 and 12. Very last week 13 and 14, very easy week. Talks about the application design and development. Make sure you know the following. Make sure you know that the application is split into front end إلى آخره. Also make sure you don't need to worry about these. Don't worry about the slide. Just make sure you know what web interface is, web browser is. Make sure you know these. Obviously, I'm sure you know the World Wide Web. And make sure you know the definition of HTML. What's an HTML and what it stands for. What is an HTTP and what it stands for. You will not get HTML coding, so that's good news for you. You will not get HTML coding, so don't worry about the HTML coding. But make sure that you know what HTML stands for, hypertext markup language, and just briefly what it is theoretically. What's the uniform resource locators? Important. URLs. You need to understand the URLs and the different parts of like you have here like a web address. You have to know and you have to understand the different parts of this web address. Okay. Again, don't worry about the codes. Don't worry about this. Web servers. What is a server? You need to understand this. This is because I'm using Mac, so it's not showing. Every time I open this in Mac, it does not show the figures. But anyway, just understand the layers of the web. Or actually, don't worry about it. I don't think you'll get this. Don't worry about the layers of the web architecture. What is connectionless and the sessions? Definitely cookie. Also, you need to know what a cookie is. What's used for. All these, I mean, this slide and the previous slide are important. Cookie and this slide is also important. The issues with the cookies and so forth. Applications, servlets. Yeah, just have a quick look at that. Don't worry about the code. Don't worry about the codes. Right. Don't worry about these, as long as you understand what application is. Don't worry about the PHP. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about this. Okay, understand the terminologies in here. Application architecture. Understand the terminologies. Don't worry about the figure. Just again, a brief understanding on the business logic layer. Don't worry about this. What's a hypernet, and obviously entity data model has already been discussed, so don't worry about that. Well, I mean, you just have an understanding of that anyway because it's already been discussed. Hypernet as well, just know what a hypernet is. Just a brief understanding of the REST and JavaScript. Just a brief understanding here. Disconnected operations. Don't worry about the disconnected operations. Don't worry about this. Do not worry about this. Don't worry about the ASP and Visual Studio. Application security. Application security, you need to know the what do you need to know? The like password leakage, application authentication. Just briefly again on the security, have just like a brief understanding of the security encryption as well. Very important definitions in the encryption. Make sure you understand the definition, like what's symmetric key, what's an asymmetric key, what is the DES, AES. So all these definitions are important for you to know. Okay. Client response, don't worry about the digital signature, don't worry about it, and that's it. So this chapter is really easy, just a theoretical chapter. Have a just understanding of this chapter. So that's it for the revision. I hope it's been good, and I wish you all the best as well for tomorrow's exam. And if you have any question, obviously you can ask your instructor. Don't all ask me. Only I will allow my students to ask me. Everyone can ask their own instructor, please. And I wish you all the best. So I'll see you.